You might think that a Mediterranean diet means lots of pizza and pasta, but it doesn't. What's in the Mediterranean diet? The actual diet can vary across the region, but the core elements are plenty of fruit and vegetables, fish, both white fish and oily fish such as sardines and salmon, whole grain cereals such as wholemeal bread and brown rice, beans and pulses such as chickpeas and lentils, unsalted nuts and seeds, small amounts of lean meat and low-fat dairy, olive oil, fresh herbs, onions and garlic. Some people think wine is part of this way of eating, but it's optional.